Hello. What's going on, bro?
Yo. Fuck, Zoom had an update. All right. So what's your bias? Hello?
Huh?
I said, do you have a bias for this morning?
No, not really. I'm still looking at it right now.
I think I'm more bearish.
I'll say, wait, what are you looking at?
So I'm going to show you my screen because Andre shared it.
You looking at Nas?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll say bullish.
I was bullish, but can you see my screen?
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's clear or not, but basically, until this whole flip happened down here, it damn near closed in all this liquidity down here. You feel me? It's like the tiniest gap. But this is the setup that I see. If this shit don't hit, it's like it definitely is weird because it feels like a bullish week. Because if we zoom out, you feel me? It ain't pulled back all the way. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that is true.
But if it don't end up rejecting around the area, I'm just not going to trade because it's still Monday.
Hold on, wait, what's it? Oh, okay, there we go. You said you're looking at Nas, right?
Yeah.
You on the 15-minute?
Yeah.
Our chart still look different as hell.
What's your chart look like?
Hold on.
That's the 15-minute for you?
Yeah, that's why I say I think we're bullish.
Mine does not look like that. Yeah, that's crazy. It feels like you're zoomed in.
Nah, I'm kind of zoomed out. This is zoomed in.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, it wouldn't even.
We got two different charts.
Damn, what broker are you using?
Huh?
I'm on Orlando. What is yours on?
I'm using TradingView.
No. Like, yeah, like on TradingView. Like, you know how it says the name next to it?
Oh,
If you right click it, it should tell you at the bottom, like on the side.
right click on.
Like, you know, on the list, like over here. Damn, they updated the fuck out this shit.
TFD?
Let's see where it says it down here.
What the hell you just found that?
So
Global Prime.
Global Prime.
Yeah.
That's weird, bro, because I've used some Global Prime shit.
Who you said you're using?
Orlando.
Let
Let me look at Andre's shit.
me see what your chart look like again. Oh yeah, on Orlando we got the same chart. It looked the same.
I'm about to pull up the Global Prime, John. That shit look weird. I don't know why that was so different than mine. But nah, I definitely see it being bullish, bro. Like I said, I don't think you're wrong. This just looked like a textbook setup type shit. You feel me?
Yeah, no cap. If we
Because we
do
got the
retrace,
we got the Asian 50% lining up with this area of resistance, and then it lines up with the 70% on the fib too. So that's the only reason I feel like it would sell off around there. But then again, there's a liquidity void above there as well. So it could just fly. It's a Monday. It's mainly a watch day. Where's this nigga at?
that was a big ass drop.
Yeah, one fucking candle.
Yeah, that was a big ass drop.
Damn, apparently the US has got a butter shortage.
Oh, a butter shortage?
Yeah. And the crabs are going extinct. Niggas is gonna be sick. No butter for they crabs, no crabs for they butter.
Hey, so where you so could you predict something like that? So like you see where it dropped around,
You
so you
could.
go to the highest high and then you see it just like going down from there. Could you predict something like that with a strategy?
You talking about that? It's not really. I wouldn't. That's not really a strategy drop. That's more of like a news just killing the market. You know what I'm saying?
Okay,
So like you could still catch it if you're on top of the news, though. You feel me? Because
okay.
it's like if you see the news like it's CPI and you knew that shit was gonna tank the market,
Mm-hmm.
you could have got in right before the news hit, and then your shit would have. You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah, okay.
you could have just secured your quick bag. That's what Kai did. Kai knew the news was going to tank the market, and he put his positions in literally like a couple minutes before the John. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Now he up all them pips, and you don't even gotta hold it, bro. You could just cash out as soon as you see it start to like resist a little bit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Because that's your move for the day, bro. You feel me? We don't even be trying to look for that many pips on the regular. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But no, it's definitely possible. I be on like Forex Factory and shit. Like that's how I find most of the news. Oh, I'm about to fuck that. Zoom like updated their shit on my phone. It's different.
Oh, I've been on that before. Ain't that like the with the red, yellow, and orange folders?
Yeah. So like basically red folders basically mean that shit's negative. It's gonna negatively impact the market. Yellow, I don't know. Sometimes it goes up. You feel me? Like
Yeah, yellow's like indecisive.
yeah, in a sense. And when we see yellow folders, I just take it as news is news. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But the red folders normally means it's going to negatively impact the market. So like that's what another reason I was bearish because this drum was red at 8:30, but 8:30 was like half hour ago and nothing happened. You feel me?
Yeah.
So we just gonna see. Yo, oh, it's Kel. Yo,
Yo.
what's happening?
Not much, bro. Regular routine.
You know, niggas back in this bitch again.
Hey, besides Forex Factor, is there any other like news apps to pay
For
attention to?
sure. For sure. I mean, it's really all up to preference. You know what I'm saying? Like what you prefer to look at.
Okay.
I would say
Forex Factory just is like they've put it the most simple to me. Like they just lay it out the nicest.
I would also check out FinViz. FinViz is pretty,
Finbiz?
they're pretty up to date too. They pull different news sources all into one.
You said FinBiz?
Yeah, FINVIZ.com. And then just under the news tab, it pulls up like different news sources from like all kinds of different websites, like Wall Street Journal, CNBC, CNN, and all that.
I appreciate you. Yeah. What's up with you, man?
Draco.
Big Rico.
Yeah.
That's like,
We should be good now.
Andre, what are you on the day?
What you mean?
My nickname.
What am
Are
I?
you bullish, bearish? Yeah.
Bro, I don't even know yet. Haven't even looked
Yeah,
at the
me
chart.
either.
I was just trying to get all the stuff. I just got back in from my balcony. From
Me personally, I'm bearish.
doing a deed.
Yeah, but I'm personally
I
bearish.
said bullish.
I'm short term bullish, but overall I'm still bearish.
We about to see. I see why you guys would want it to be bearish potentially. It looks like it might be. I don't like the low. That's the only reason I wouldn't want this to be bullish. I don't like this low.
That's what I'm saying. I don't like where it closed at because it didn't even close that gap.
It didn't make a nice low. Unless this ends up just being a trending day, I don't see this. I don't see it being bullish long term. I think just based off looks, probably push up to 11,000 around there, then potentially come down.
Yeah.
So regardless, anyone that was already bullish, then they're good. But we gonna see.
I don't know.
It's
I just
early
feel like
in the
the
week,
consolidation upwards. It is Monday as well.
We could just get some.
Yeah, I'm not expecting today.
It could just trend. You know what I'm saying? I feel like if it doesn't sell, it'll trend.
Where's my higher
upward.
time frame analysis? Wait a minute.
US 30 looks really clean though. I don't know.
Yeah. Yes. Last daily candle was bearish. Also, if we just stick with the trend.
And I seen what y'all finally meant by candles on US 30 be jumping like 30 pips, dude.
Oh
yeah. Yeah.
If you watch NAS 100, like last week, this is how US 30 be traded like on a fucking daily.
Nah, I ain't even gonna lie to you.
I low-key been fucking with SPX recently. It's been really like
it's probably it's probably a little bit slower than NAS in my opinion.
I mean, they move the same though, nigga.
Nah, it's smaller moves.
Volume wise, it's slower.
Yeah. Like it's not gonna move as fast. Like I say, it goes like in order. S&P is slow. NAS is like in the middle, and then US 30 top dog. Top dog.
On crack, bro.
The exotic.
US 30 is like that fucking junkie cousin. He's just unhinged.
Nasdaq's like
unhinged.
BMW.
Bro, it's that 3-year-old that OD'd on sugar that's just running around.
US 30 is just like, just be on this dude. We don't even ask. We just like, all right, bro. We don't even question it. We just let him do his thing. But all right, from looks of it, I want to see this high get held. Also, more than likely, because the fact that when we ran all these highs, previously high, and we engulfed after that. If you look at it like in a way, this is how Kel will look at it. I feel like this is how he is. He's looking at we broke structure. We could be coming up to fill this in, come a little bit lower. Is that how you looking at it a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I mean, at the same time, I can see
one of
that
them,
high being ran as well. Just because if you, on the higher time frames, we did break. Oh, I'm looking at US 30.
I'm thinking
I think
11K.
Also,
I'm thinking 11K is going to be a good area.
The 72 also lines up with the Asian range the middle of the Asian range.
Like if I'm just going to be going on it to be safe, I'm thinking 11,000 around there because that's when we first come into that order block. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think when I did it, it was on like.
How long did that leave your stop?
I don't know. I'm gonna see.
11,000 could be valid. It's just because.
Also keep in mind, I'm trading it a different way, Jenner. I'm trading it a different way than how I used to. Since I'm gonna be on the smallest lot size possible. So even if I really wanted to, shit, 200 points. If I really wanted to, that's like devious. That's like worst case scenario. You get what I'm saying?
50. Yeah, but it's because they're talking.
It's just a big area in here. That's the only thing. It's a wide range. We got this fair value.
You might be able to get away with like a 150 stop loss.
Because I'm looking at it. If you just look at it like on the hour.
150.
That 11K, it should hold in my opinion. I don't want to see it go too much higher if it's bearish. If it goes higher, it's probably going to run that previous high at that point. But it depends how deep it goes. Then again, is there News to that?
Not really. I mean, there was.
Really, yeah.
No, it already was. All right. We'll see then. We will see. But I'm thinking 11,000 is a safe area, especially if we go into it around that. Where's my phone at? Around that 9:30, 9:30 time.
You expecting to drop around 11?
That would be best case scenario.
whatever.
That's what I would want to say would happen. At least see a reaction depending on where we go into, and then at least have a drop. So I say at least clear these London lows. At least. And then, because that's around 10,800, we could still hold this low in case it is a trending day. I think this would be best case scenario, 1100 to around 1170, 50. That's also the Asian session high in case we range. It's just getting out in
I
cases.
see us trending low key.
That's
Yeah,
what I'm saying.
I'm
If we
probably
trend, it's
gonna
definitely
get that.
possible. But even if we trend, I think 11K will still be the area we likely at least get a retracement. So I'm
If
gonna just
I
have to
hop
see
in,
stop
I'll
loss
probably-
placement.
Stop loss could probably get away with around the Asian high, to be honest.
Asia high. That's a
Yeah.
good long.
No. I said you could probably get away with your stop loss around the Asian high for the sell. Because that shit is husky if you want to put it all the way at the top.
Wait, what? Which Asian high?
Asian session high, bro.
That's all the way down here though.
Oh, shit. I'm looking at a different Asian
You're
session.
confused. I'm like, huh? I was like, yeah, you cooked me. You was like, nah, not
Previous
that
Asian
one.
It's
session.
the
Like
previous
maybe
Asian
the
or
day
that Asian
before.
session.
Yeah.
All right. And I was like, yeah, you're cooking me right now. I'm looking for it. I'm like, there's nothing here.
Nah, it
Um,
was the Asian session before that.
I'm like,
Asian
am I
session.
missing it? is my shit like, do I have another gap? I was like, damn. That should be happening. Y'all sometimes see something. This is a gap for me. I'm just like, damn. All right.
I'm not gonna lie. Bro was showing me his chart and it looked completely different than mine
Who?
earlier.
Me, JT.
He's newer to trading too. Also keep in mind.
No, but like he was on Trading View.
Oh, like it physically, like the actual trading view
Yeah,
was
like
different.
his
I thought you meant like his
candles were
markups.
Yeah, like his candles were not the same as mine.
A lot of the time, it's color scheme. Color scheme plays a big part. Like if I just do
Yeah.
like a change like from my wicks, not the wicks, the borders. If I change my borders white, it changes. It makes this shit look weird, bro.
Bro,
White borders aren't sticky. White
Like,
borders are not
White
pretty at all,
borders,
bro.
just not even
Change
just
that
white,
shit back.
bro. This is odd.
Change that shit
This
back.
is like MetaTrader. That's how it looks.
Bro, even on MetaTrader, I changed all my shit.
I've been rocking the black and blue for a minute. I think this is what I'm gonna stick with for a while. I've been already
Yeah,
been
I
with it
got-
for a while.
Black and gray is sturdy.
If I go to anything else, it'll probably just be all black on some emo shit.
Nah, I used to trade one color for a while. It's not that bad.
It's not bad. It's just I don't know. It gets just I don't know. It gets boring.
It's boring. I feel like
It's boring. It's cool. I guess it's cool to look like, but it's like
I
nice.
used to do the one color on MT. But
I
it's
like
just
I like the feeling the colors give me. No. Hold
I'm
on.
the-
If that makes sense, the dopamine when I see it printing my color, it's probably not a good thing, but you know I like the feeling. It's my little. It's like gambling a
Blue.
little bit. You feel me?
yeah.
But yeah, we'll see. I'm thinking 11K. 11K. I say stop loss potentially first trade maybe 50 points. It's just a big range. That's the only thing.
They're huge.
Because it could stop me out and then just reject from up here. Come to
Mega.
1100. We'll see. I'm going to just be watching.
do you think we could retrace around 832 and then shoot back up?
832?
Yeah, I'm
There's a
seeing like
chance.
a lot of
It depends how
a
the
lot of
open is.
resistance in that small area.
If the open's bearish, we could definitely have a drop. The only thing is, it depends. Like, that's what I'm waiting for. At the open, if we push, I'm more than likely bearish. But at the open, if we drop and maybe run these lows, then I'll see how price reacts around a little 10,800 to see if there's going to be a chance that this ends up trending higher again. And it's a trending day. But it just depends what happens from the open. That's what I usually don't take a trade until then.
We're almost there. 12 minutes, gang.
And I'm also going to keep in mind if we start to drop, I'm going to pull a fib from this previous day's low and the Asian session low to the high where this is. And I'm going to see where that lines up with.
The only reason I see us trending is because if you look left and on like a 2 hour, we're inside of an imbalance, so we could just be like distributing.
Yeah,
Our,
it could be.
Trust
We
it.
did have a big move to top side.
yeah,
Anything's
because that's why I
possible.
said we're short term bullish, but that's why overall I'm still bearish. I want to see us like go back up to like 11,600 area, 500.
I would want to see that probably just later on in the week, though. I don't know if he'll do it on Monday. That's another thing. I think we're more likely to maybe
Never
start to
know.
drop, make these lows maybe around Tuesday, Wednesday. Starting to keep pushing. But we'll see. There's a lot of news
Find
this
this
week.
news.
There's a lot
I
of
was
news
gonna
like
say there's
Wednesday,
some news,
Wednesday,
some
Thursday.
crazy.
Definitely. And we on the daily candle, we don't got a bottom wick right now. We do, but it's not even. Nah, never mind. No wick. That shit gone. Flat ass candle. This yeah, there we go. I found it. Stop playing. Low ass wick.
All right, so this
shit is
was the news
nothing.
that I had seen earlier. It says, y'all know about NATO or NATO?
No.
Nope.
A little bit.
What is it?
Here, let me find the exact definition.
It's like a right.
All right. It's the European and North American Alliance, which is basically what are we called? I forgot what the yeah.
NATO?
Yeah, it's NATO. NATO, I said NATO. But anyways, long story short, it says
like-
that NATO begins nuclear exercises amid tensions with Russia.
Excuse me?
Very tough. That's what I like to hear.
So the U.S. and Europe is planning on some nuclear shit.
Oh yeah.
Bro,
What the hell?
I'm ready.
I don't know why they're doing this shit like they're cool.
Hey,
Do they-
out of sight, out of mind.
honestly,
I'm just trying to get
I
his
think
money.
it's just a scare tactic. bro.
But no doubt.
'Cause they don't know if they use that
Yeah,
shit,
no, they know it's a scare tactic, I think.
because they know if they use that shit, bro, it's clipped for the whole world.
Technically, we are in a world war, so I mean, it's technically
in
like
my
a war
opinion,
move.
In my
It's
opinion,
Cold War.
I don't think they're gonna do anything crazy. Them niggas know better, bro.
I think
Yeah,
niggas
exactly.
are, bro. I think something
They-
crazy's gonna happen.
They're
but I don't think
what I think it is, we're gonna have something big. It's not gonna be like we're all gonna die type shit. It's just gonna be like more like a Great Depression type shit, if that makes sense.
Yeah, fact.
Yeah, but I think there's gonna be an event that kicks that shit off. That
Yes.
Maybe not. We'll see. But I don't think so personally.
Was
It's just a
born
lot of
in China.
They just be making fear, bro. They just be having fun with this
that's
shit.
what I'm saying.
It's a new
Definitely.
thing every week too. Next week we gonna be making bombs.
It's to get
Exactly why
people
I don't be
panicked.
watching the news.
Yeah,
So
that's
they
why I
don't
don't watch
think
the
about-
news, bro. I just like good or bad. Just move the market for me.
Nah, niggas,
It's all gonna happen regardless.
Mm-hmm.
they want niggas to panic so they don't think about their
It's just
money.
fear. That's all it is. Just creating fear. Because when they fear, money. That's really what it is. When they fear shit, they move their money, take money places, put it places,
Exactly.
work more,
So I do
make
kind of
more
see
money.
this trending.
Hey, bro, it's all about the money at the end of the day.
Nah, no cap. That's what I'm saying. Like they ain't gonna do some shit where it's like they fucking ruin the world type shit. You know what I mean? They ain't that dumb.
They're pretty dumb, bro.
Nah, bro. They're smarter than we take them for. Because they're the reason we're even here right now. They be doing their
Yeah,
shit.
but you acting like us being here is thorough. They got us living
Huh?
in this fucked up ass system, bro.
Nah, bro.
What?
We got it good compared to other places. It's good everywhere, but
Really do.
That's other places as well, nigga.
hey, but
The
ain't
other
shit we
reason
could
other
do.
places like that is
This-
because we're so fucked
You gotta
up.
think of it. You're looking at the cons. What about all the good that you got from them? Also, I think
After
they've done more for
I
us than I think against.
good
us. I
without-
mean, for
I
the
get
people like
you.
us.
I get you, but my good things don't come if it's not benefiting them, nigga. You feel me? Like I can't get my computer right now without I'm still working, all right? So for my niggas that are trading this don't apply to you. I'm still working, so I gotta go slave away at my job to go get anything I need or pay my bills or whatever the fuck.
You know what? You know what the
They
solution
pay-
is? You're playing on the wrong side of the game.
No, I know.
That's really what it comes
I'm-
down to. Because like it benefits if you work with them, but
the
if you
game
go
isn't
against them, then it's like
Point.
it's kind of you're setting yourself up for failure.
That's what but the game is not thorough though. That's my point.
Yeah, the game's rigged, but hey, what can we do about it?
Yeah, you can't do
I'm
shit
just
about
following.
it.
I'm just following the rules, bro. I'm just following the big dogs. Ain't shit I could do about it. It's like
Nah, I was
trading.
just saying,
It's like trading. There's only so much we could do.
nah, but America really fucked themselves, bro, for this new age that's coming in because they're probably not going to be the leading superpower anymore.
Hey, that's when it just
Oh,
comes
yeah,
down
no,
to.
yeah.
It just comes down to what you gonna
This
do
was
as an
written.
individual and what you gonna do to make the change. Because what's gonna happen is gonna happen. Shit's been worse before. Niggas lived through it. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta do what you do, make the best of the times, make the best of every opportunity. Do what you gotta do to keep
Our
on
generation's
elevating.
Worst of it.
Yeah, but also keep in mind, it might only affect people that aren't around you, because you have the power to keep around you different, if that makes sense. You can make sure that people around you are acting a certain way, live a certain way, mindset or a certain way. You know, it is what you
Yeah.
make of it, type of thing.
No, can't save everybody though.
Yeah, definitely can't.
I agree.
I don't try to save anybody. Shit, you gotta save yourself, big bro.
Yeah.
I can't help you if I can't swim, big bro.
Bring
I
a
can't
horse
swim
to
for two people.
Make it drink.
And even if you really want to help someone change, until they want to, it's not gonna matter. Because until they see their own vision, because you can't like make someone see a vision for you. I be telling people that you really can't. Like the shit that I be doing, like I could say it in words, but a lot of people aren't gonna see the vision. So it's like you just got to do it, type of thing.
Mm-hmm.
I've learned that the hard way over the years.
And yeah, I'm glad I learned it pretty early. Cause I be, especially bro, I've gone through like little phases and stuff where I like learn stuff. I like be mad about it maybe, or be happy about it. Show the world, tell a lot of people, get feedback on it. It's like when you learn a lot of things and you get feedback from other people, it's like, damn, this is really a waste of time. It's really a waste of time, bro.
Because you
it's
have to
like-
think about it. Most people on social media really
It
just
really be like a spit in the face, bro. Like,
Yeah, it's like I don't even know why. I'm just wasting my time. That's time I'm not getting back. It's like watching the charts for 4 hours to do nothing. It's like, all right, well, ain't shit I could do now.
I mean, that's basically what people are on social media.
Not real shit, but hey, shit's crazy, man. Shit is crazy.
definitely.
That's
crazy.
why I put the information out there. I let the people that want it consume it. Hey,
Talk
best way to
nuclear
do it.
prep crazy.
I think
You
that's
heard
just
that they fired a test missile over Japan?
nah, out of sight, out of mind. That's how I look at a lot of things.
They had the sirens going. Bro.
Like, bro, I swear to God, if I like y'all, we could get a nuke
like,
hit.
out
We
of
could get a
mind.
nuke hit in China, bro. But if I don't see it, I'm not believing that shit, bro. That's how I think. I don't know. If until I see it, I can't believe it. Like, all right, I'll maybe it's possible, but if it's
They
not
ain't did that shit, nigga. What are
bro,
you
if
talking
it's not
about?
directly like impacting me or someone that I know, and I can like see that it's like a real thing, I'm not gonna believe it. It's just I'm like, all right, doesn't really
Bro,
doesn't
I ain't
exist to
gonna
me
lie,
yet.
though.
nigga.
I like
It
to
was
be
niggas-
prepared though too.
Yeah.
Because you never know. Last
I
second,
love
you
this
might have to
saying
make a
that
move.
now.
It's like take it with a grain of salt. That's what I always say. It's like, all right, I listen to you. It's there, but it's like the when my parents were talking about the hurricane. Bro, that I was not affected whatsoever. I was like, what hurricane, bro? This shit light. I'm trying to
Welcome
go
to
to the gym.
Florida. Thank you. This is why we have hurricane parties.
I was trying to go to the gym the next day. I'm like, damn, y'all closed for 3 days. This is crazy. What y'all doing?
Yeah, you did.
I was like,
that shit
hurricane, few trees. Come on, bro. Trees fall
I'm
down.
not gonna lie, bro. That joint washed away a few houses, bro.
Bro, that's the ones by the beach though. It's like, bro, you should have
Yeah,
known.
I was saying if
You
you
shoulda
was by the
known.
water, that's when you fucked.
It's like, bro, it's bound to happen if you over there.
That's why you got to get flood insurance and all kinds of
Oh,
extra
yeah.
insurance.
Flood insurance. That's whack as fuck.
Fuck that. The most we got downtown was some little bit ass wind.
Yeah, bro, that was it. We ain't get shit over here.
Hey, I'm gonna be in Tampa next month.
Next month, shit, let me know. We got the set here. We lit.
Let
We
me
lit now.
see. I think from the 11th through the 13th.
Oh, what, November?
Yeah, so Friday through Sunday.
Oh, all right, bet. We could do some shit. By then,
Yeah.
I'm going to clubs every weekend, bro. I'm getting lit now. Don't care. Fuck it.
Yeah, nigga
We
went
can
to the
pop
club.
out.
Nigga got
We
in
can
the
pop
club.
out.
You said what?
I said, nigga got in the club. Now he can't not go back.
I already knew I was gonna go though.
How'd you get in, bro?
Some of them are 18 plus.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they got a few of them, bro.
Um,
E-board, bro. I went to E-board for like the first time, bro. Like at 3 a.m. That's just different.
It was valid.
You
That,
went?
bro.
Did you walk the pier?
Bro, fuck the pier. It was too many people. I was like, yeah, I'm going home. Bro, it was 3 a.m. and I promise you, that shit looked like, I don't even know what it looked. It looked like you was at like a concert. All these niggas in the street.
The lights is crazy.
Bro, and they was just all in the street. I'm like, yeah, damn. I looked at the time. I'm like, it's 3 a.m. These niggas are active. And I went home. I was like, yeah, I'm going to the gym in the morning. Went home and went right to the gym.
I ain't never been to the club, though. I'm trying to go to the club.
It's cool. I don't know. I wouldn't go until like a certain point though. Like until you could just like actually until you could like actually make sense of just going and wasting the time. It also depends the type of club you go to though. Because if you just
What is the one you went to, Pa?
The one I went to, it was cool. It was alright. It wasn't like the main ones. The main ones, bro, them shits was probably packed by the time if I would have went to them. I was like right around from it.
Shit, like, is it true like when people say you go to the club, you end up broke, like you just throwing money?
That's if you go to a strip club. I only spent $12 when I went to the club. Because mind you, I don't drink. I went in with my own gas. That was it. It was like a place where everyone's here, the music's here, and I'm kind of just doing what I would have did on my balcony now. But now
you can smoke in the club.
Yeah, certain ones you can smoke. Yeah.
Hey, we can hit a hookah lounge too. If you
want. Yeah, shit, bro. I'm lit. I'm on everything now.
Nigga, the club is for drunk people.
Nah. Yeah.
Nah.
They was off.
It's really more for vibes.
There was I'm trying to get some fucking ass. Yeah. Stop playing. I'm going there on a mission.
8:30 open.
All right, let me see.
Let me monitor. Is a
part of me wants to go short at 11K. Y'all need to go to the Miami clubs. Oh yeah, I already know, bro. I already know. I'm not on the Miami level yet. They gonna shit on me, bro. Not yet. Not yet.
Pull out. All these niggas iced out.
And I'm gonna be like, all right. Then I'm gonna have to go buy my shit, and then I'm gonna realize that they still shitting on me, and I'm gonna be sick.
Right.
Man, it ain't even that deep. Unless you in like Beverly Hills or something.
Not even that. The ice is one thing. If you got a section, you good, cause you have like no chains. The bitches gonna know what's up. I could be in there with my. I'm gonna have an FBA Capital fucking t-shirt. All black.
Blue pass 10,950, reaching 11K.
I'm thinking 11K is a good area for me to put a short in, just based off a big figure level and just probabilities from being where we are in price.
Fair. That's a fair trade.
Yo, niggas really be sleeping on my nigga Dame, bro.
Dame who? Dame Lillard?
Dame Dollar.
That's a Dame Lillard.
Dame Dollar, bro. Come on. Nigga is the coldest clutch shooter in the league. Fight me about it. Nobody. I'm giving that nigga the ball over Curry.
I low-key stopped basketball like years ago.
Damn, bro. My team's 6-0 in football right now, and I ain't even watched football in years, bro. I'm not that shit.
All right, come on. I'm trying to go short at 11K. We're going to see what happens. Thinking a 50-point stop, but since I'm trading it on a different account size, I can risk more if I really wanted to, but I'm thinking 50 points for a starter would be valid. And like I said, I'm thinking 800. All I need is 800 to get hit, and I'll probably just call it a day. We'll see.
This nigga brought the Sprinter van on the track. He's crazy.
Oh, yeah, devious. You better not hit that corner too hard. All right, I'm in at 11K.
Yeah, bro.
I'm in at 11. I'm going to put my stop at 1150. We're going to see what's up.
Still got a point to go for 11.
We're going to see what's up.
Is it just me or did that shit like stop moving?
Yeah, a little bit. It's probably because the bank level.
Yeah, a little bit. Y'all got in?
Yeah, I'm going in. 50 points. We're going to see. Worst comes to worst, I move it to... No, I'm not even going to move it. Worst comes to worst, I have to take another trade. I'm not going to move it.
Bro, how my computer going to do me like that? That shit froze, nigga. I'm looking at it. I'm like, that shit is not at 1100. I go on MT4. It is.
Yeah, sometimes it'd be glitching.
No, my internet is geeking right now. I'm on the hotspot.
This
Let's
looks
see.
bullish.
It does look bullish, but I'm gonna see. I'll take the risk. If it just starts flying, hey,
I will
clapped
also
up.
take the risk.
I just keep looking left.
Really, thing is, I haven't really been trading like that. To be honest, like the past like 2-3 weeks, I've probably taken like maybe 4 or 5 trades, bro.
Been moving and shit.
Yeah, I was just getting everything set up, but now I'm lit now. Feel like $1,000,000. All I need is some more gas. Oh boy, I'm gonna be active.
What, some more bud?
You said, well, oh yeah, I need some more. I'm running out.
Where you at? I got you.
Shit.
I got that gas.
Oh yeah.
It's a real business.
I'll talk to you after this. Let's see if I win this trade.
Where are you at? I got you.
He has his green card.
Let's see. We'll see how this trade plays out. It'll dictate my decision. If this doesn't play out, then I don't deserve it yet. But we
already
Wait, so
hit
if
the
you
gym,
lose the
huh?
trade, you don't smoke?
You said what? Nah.
If you
But not right now. I'm going to gym after anyway. But we'll see how my mood changes. Cause I still got gas. I just need more. If that makes sense.
You're trying to roll some fatties.
How much is the gas out there, bro?
It depends where you get it from, who you get it from.
Yeah, it really depends.
I was about to say Philly. I feel like Philly is dirt cheap compared to other places.
Nah.
Just because
They're around the same prices.
How much they going eighth out there?
for some plat, it's like 30.
Hell nah. Hell.
She said hell no. Nah, yeah, it's different from Philly. But they got their
What's the
strains.
plat?
Philly got their strains too.
Well,
For
a
real?
lot of people down here, well, at least I know some people that are like connected with like Gas House and like Cookies and like different like growers.
They got
and
more
stuff.
dispensaries out
People
here.
be getting that Zaza.
They got more dispensaries out here. People are able to
Yeah,
get like
Zaza-
that.
Expensive wherever you go though.
Oh,
And
this baby
tried
pushing
eight
up.
Street za is fried though.
Hmm?
I said anybody charging 80 for some street za is fried though.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't even pay that much.
Nah, bro, it don't even be that expensive in the dispo, nigga. Why the fuck is gonna be better from you?
Shit, I don't even know.
No, that's not. That's just what I be thinking. Like, nigga, I could go to the dispensary right now.
Yeah, it's way better when you have a dispensary. 10 times better. The only thing is like it's just certain
They're opening them
disabilities.
shits up in Jersey now.
Are they?
Yeah. Like you could just walk up to them type shit with your ID and they'll serve you.
Too bad I don't live in Jersey.
It'll be everywhere soon
More than
enough.
likely, probably they got shit over here, bro. Where if you just know some people, you can just go inside of a place and buy gas, bro.
Probably.
Yeah, there's like certain shit.
I think it's funny as shit when you found gas in Miami. He was like, yeah, bro, I just went on a walk. This boy had some gas.
Nah, that was funny, bro.
I was like,
Damn.
what?
Then we start pushing. All right, I just lost that one. I'll see if I take a second trade, but it's looking bullish right now. I'm gonna need to actually start rejecting first. All right, could be a trending day. This market is diff. These swings right now are kind of wild. If we don't run this high at this point, I would be very surprised. But now, what was I saying? Yeah, bro. I went out there and I just hopped on the scooter. I just went, where was it? I was on Brickell Drive, like 7 a.m., just watching the water. I was like, I smelled something. I was like, all right.
It's because right before that day, we was literally like, where the fuck are we going to get weed?
Real shit. I woke up on a mission. I tell you, bro. I be waking up on missions.
You manifested that shit.
Then we start rejecting again. I'm gonna watch it, but what happened? I went out there, bro. I went on a scooter and I just started going around. And I was like, all right, I'm chilling. You know what I'm saying? I smelt it. I was like, oh, all right. I seen a guy on a bench. He's just chilling like these, just looking at the water. I'm like, okay, this looks about right. And then I forget what I did. Came up with a little plan.
This looks about right.
I came up with a little plan. I hopped on the scooter, went up near him. I was like, is that gas? I said, some shit, bro. Something. He was like, yeah. Bro, he was thorough as hell, bro. I promise. This is what happened, bro. I sat on the bench with him. He gave me what he was smoking, went inside his crib, got the gas that I wanted. We finished smoking that, and then I bought it off him. And then I went on with my
Man.
day, and then he went to sleep.
Think it went to sleep.
Yeah, because
And where was you at?
Brickell Drive.
Yo,
So he was like early. He just got home from work. He was like smoking, about to go like inside because he just got home.
I'm not gonna lie, nigga got a thorough ass spot right by the water.
Yeah, he was chilling, bro. That was a great spot.
I'm not gonna lie, that spot by the water was sturdy.
Yeah, that right where I took you after, I think, where I showed you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, no, that joint was sturdy.
Yeah, bro.
He probably had his med card and was like, "Yeah, I can just give him some."
Maybe, I don't know. Potentially. Thorough man. I think I still got his number. Cool guy.
Cool guy.
I was talking to him about moving out there. He was telling me where I should go. He was talking about where the hoods were. Thorough man. Ended up moving to Tampa. Well, you win some, you lose some. Tampa started out.
So,
Yeah, just chilling. Y'all niggas got a football team and shit.
Yeah, I could see the fucking from yesterday. They played yesterday.
yeah, they
Was,
lost.
was it a home
It
game?
was
I don't think so.
Cause
I don't know.
I seen the stadium.
I forgot.
Cause I could see
No,
the
I think
stadium.
it was an away game.
I could see the stadium from where my car's parked on the roof. And that shit, I just seen all these lights. I was like, interesting.
What? Raymond James Stadium.
It was I don't know what it's called. It says Buccaneers. I could see that from it just says Bucks. It's a
Yeah.
football stadium.
Yeah, that's the Raymond James Stadium. That's fucking crazy.
I don't live far from it. I'm like 10 minutes.
That's over
5,
there.
6 minutes.
Yeah, the Raymond James Stadium by USF.
Yeah, it's by it's on what's it? Dale Meeber. Right over there.
Damn, she shot the fuck up.
Yeah, that shit going. Damn. Yeah, if we go past 11-100, I'm just gonna call it a day. Cause shit, this is tough. Big tough.
Sheesh.
I'm gonna wait to see because this shit could always turn into a wick, especially the way it's been moving. So I'm gonna wait and see. But from the looks of it, this candle gonna close bullish. What did US 30 do? Damn.
Figured that push up.
Oh, nah, that motherfucker going up. We trending today.
ending day. It's clip.
I kept looking at that imbalance to the left, and I was like, "Yeah, we broke bullish, and then we came back into that imbalance to go higher."
Yeah, we trendy.
That shit, big ass,
Trendy.
big ass open candle. New cap.
Well,
Could reach that high and drop back down.
yeah, but for all that, I'm gonna just trade tomorrow.
Not real shit. I took my already. 50 pip L. I'm cool.
Yep. Took my L for the day.
I took an L as well, gang.
It's all right.
We're in this together.
We're going to have a better week tomorrow.
I lost like
The day
$2.
tomorrow. What?
I lost like $2.
$2? What a
Be
guy.
like-
Yeah, I wasn't really. I just wanted to like test it out, so I did something like super small.
Shit, I don't blame you.
Wait, actually $2?
Now I did a .01 because like my idea, like I seen how it could have potentially been trending, even though I would like to take a short from here, ideally.
All right, gang. I'm gonna go get this morning started.
All right, bro.
All right, dog.
I'm gonna give it a few minutes.
Alright,
I'm gonna see
y'all.
how it reacts. Cause we're still in his range. That's the only thing. I knew that there was a chance it could still come higher.
If anything, I would want to see the high ran and then reverse.
But
I'll see how
I'ma
it
just-
react.
all right, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow.
All right, bro. You be safe.
All right, y'all.
I'm gonna watch it with US 30. Just watch when US 30 starts to reject. If it rejects, cause we're rejecting 300 over there. We shall see.
Hmm.
I'm gonna see how these 5-minute candles close. But I'm also keeping in mind there ain't no more news coming out. So this,
I'm surprised you don't watch the 1 minute.
I don't know. 1 minute be cooking me.
I mean, it's the same thing.
It just be moving fast as fuck. I be getting like out of tune with the higher time frame every time I'm on the 1 minute. Akon really got a whole different haircut. That boy Diff. He got a whole like, bro was bald before, and now he got waves.
Let me see.
Akon. Oh boy. Here, in case he doesn't have it like on his page, this is what I was looking at right here. My boy got a whole haircut now. He look like he about 25. All right, maybe not 20, maybe like 35. What you waiting to see right now? If we get maybe a break of structure, short term.
Again, I mean, I'm really looking for the high to get ran.
Are you looking for the previous day's high, or this?
Yeah, because that's a weekly high too.
Damn, this shit did engulf. God damn, what is going on with this? This area is just.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right, let's see what she do.
I mean, this could go super bullish, and then I don't know. You just never know.
I would rather, if it's gonna run that previous day's high, I would rather have it drop before that. That's me personally.
Yeah, I'm just scaling through the different time frames, like the 15-minute, and then there's like certain wicks that's been ran through.
Ah, shit. All right, wait, I got a question. So right here, is this the morning? So this is the previous day's high. Is that the morning or night? Like, how would I read that time right there?
Which one? The previous day's high?
Yeah, where this is at right now.
So what I would do to make it easier is put these lines in the middle for midnight. So at 000. For these to divide your day. Divide your day with the by time. You could just put, you can get an indicator of it, or you could just put the horizontal lines that just show the 12 o'clock, and then from there you can look in between each day and inside of it. So
all right,
so
but what indicator would that be?
The one I have is called ICT New York Open. That's one I have on. It's not perfect with the 12 a.m. open area, but I just have it just because it's a little bit easier.
All right, bro.
You can change the settings and all that, but you can just use trend lines too, or the little horizontal lines.
Oh, ICT is another version of kill zones. I forgot about kill zones.
Yeah, I don't really like to have all of them. I just usually like to have the one. Just aids in session usually. And a lot of the indicators be like fucked up too, because they're like not made by him. It's like other people trying to make them. So it's like some of them be glitched, some of them be weird, some of them don't work. You just gotta find what a good one.
I bet that makes sense.
I have quite a few that I use, but I only use them for Confluence. Once I get all my technicals.
I don't know. Right now, I would want to see a fallback. I see how this closes. I want to see this 5-minute close bearish, and then maybe get a candle after that retracing. That would be ideal.
Yo, bro, you trying to give me a pack of wood out your bag? You trying to give me a pack of wood out your bag? All right, bro.
Damn, we just started moving. There we go. Something. Yeah.
it could all come all the way back down to the Asia 50% range because that's within an imbalance and then go push higher.
Yeah, I'm just as long as we can get to 800, that's all I need. That's like a good little median, safe area. Clear all these lows. But I don't know. Right now, it looks like it's supposed to go higher. Might just all the way fill the full gap potentially, maybe 11,100, then finally drop whenever that is.
Push up from here. Looks like it wants to push up from here.
Yeah, this shit is trending right now. That's for a fact.
Let's see the entry.
The only thing I do like about where we are in price is just how we the volume is dying. Slowly dying with this in this area. I don't know if we're gonna run these highs, then possibly have a little drop. Because this doesn't seem promising right now to be the high. If this is gonna be a little drop, but
I see the entry now. The entry happened at 750 on the 5-minute.
they when we're consolidating around 850.
It would be 850 your time, I guess. I don't know what you got it on the same time. So yeah.
Yeah, it's around that consolidation. NASA's been moving very, very diff last 3 days. When it's slow, but when it moves, it's moving. Shit. That's all I can say. See if we're gonna tap into this little order block right there. I'm about to get rid of all these other levels.
I know. I'll catch y'all boys tomorrow.
Bobby out.
Hey G.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I just sent you that what I was looking at on the chart.
Me?
I was talking to Andre.
All right, y'all boys stay safe.
All right, I'm about to take.
All right, bro,
I'm
you
taking
too,
the
man.
last one. I like the way it's moving, especially with US 30 right now. 50-point stop above, because we ran that high, or at least kind of ran it. Damn near. I think it is ran. Yeah, it ran it. And then US 30 started dropping, that started dropping. If this doesn't play out, it's cool. I take the L, but I think the fact that we're losing all this momentum right now and going into, what time is it? 9:52, going into 10. I think a 50-point stop is valid for me. I'm in at 55, so stop will be around 10:01. Yeah. 10:05. 1:05. There we go. But let's see. Only time will tell. Like I said, I just want to see 800 get hit.
Mm.
800 is all I want to see.
Yeah, it's rejecting from 79 now.
Yeah, that's why I was looking at your little 79 level, and you're looking at US 30 right now. That's just going down.
Oh shit! I was looking at US 30. Damn. That whole time I was looking at US 30.
That's why you whole time
79.
You said what?
We haven't tapped into the 79 yet.
On what? US 30?
On NASDAQ.
Oh, my boy did. I have it from the previous day's high. I have it drawn on the 15-minute, if that might change it.
Yeah, me too. That's weird.
Where do you have it on the? Because I know that Asian session low is a little weird. Because with that, it's like a. Does yours have that little gap too? Not gap, but that candle on the 15. Let me show you over here. This. I have it drawn from this low, the real low.
No, mine doesn't look like that.
Yeah, I figured it was a little gonna be a
I'm
little
on a
different because of that.
window.
Yeah, these broker ones be a little diff.
Which chart you using?
I think this one is. Where is it? Pepperstone.
Pepperstone.
I think that's the newer one, I guess, because I changed it.
Nigga, ain't that like
Another one.
seasoning? A seasoning brand
Bro,
or
I don't
something?
even know, bro. I wish I could tell you. Pepperstone. Hey, as long as I can see these charts, it's cool. It's cool.
I choose to bank with Pepperstone.
It's a valid name, Pepperstone Capital. That's thorough.
Yeah.
Nah, I like the way we're moving for sure.
Mm-hmm. Nah, that bitch gonna slide up. Look at it.
Nah, I like US 30 though. US 30 is what I like. What I'm liking. That's why it's giving me more.
Yeah.
That's why I like this right here. There we go. Slowly going. I'm thinking at least 10,800. That's what I want to see.
See how we break this lows and react. Because if we break both of these lows and then push back higher, it could be just bullish continuation. Because I won't want to see it close bearish below these two 1 minute low. Well, I'm looking at the 1 minute.
I see which lows you're talking about though. The ones that's right next to. I can see like the 5-minute wick. That's what I would. I want to see the 5-minute close below there too. Ideally.
Yeah, we can get a close below there and then another bearish candle closure. Then I would take like a imbalance trade for a sell. Or trade off the fair value.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna just hold this one that I have, the entry of it, and then if we keep going deeper, and I'll try to probably add more in a retracement. But I'm gonna see how we kind of form first. Trying to capitalize on this full move to the 800 level. Definitely moving now. All right, I'm about to break even once we get to, where is this? 11,000. But I'm gonna be mindful that we might retrace.
Yeah, we're reaching a fair value gap.
We'll see. Up about 35 points.
You on the 5 minute on US 32?
Yeah. Both on 5-minute. I'm not really watching US 30. I'm watching to just see how like them candles form. And I was watching that 3,300 level. Because once we came to that 3,300, that's when we just started to lose that momentum on NAS. That's why I was like, Then we started to drop, and I was like, all right, we ran that high. Best bet. But until we get below 11,000, there's still a chance it all keeps going higher. So, but this could just be a short-term retracement. But the fact that US 30 didn't hold at 3,200 yet, though, makes me believe we'll keep going below 11,000. In due time. In due time. How big is this TP? 249. We'll try to hold this joint as long as possible. We'll see.
see.
Looks like it just might be one thing. It's just gonna take a little bit of
7%
time.
long on NASDAQ.
7%?
67.
Oh, I was like, what the fuck? Oh, whoa.
And 57 on
I thought you
US
said
30.
7. I'm like, come again? Come again? This shit better be fucking tanking for 7% long.
But yeah, so this morning NASDAQ was at like 76%. So it's dropped like 8% or something like that.
It's not that much, son. In the grand
And then
scheme
US
of things.
30s dropped like 3%. So I mean,
It's
everybody's
probably
still
bullish.
long,
More than likely gonna be bullish though.
in my opinion. I think it's just taking out these buyers just to go long.
I'm thinking potentially 30,000 on US 30 and then 10,800. I think that's best bet. Retracement, allow them to get them people that think it's gonna go short, then they're just gonna push it again to around the previous day's highs. Because even though I don't like that low of the day so far that we have, it still could just hold. Just the fact that this has been bullish ever since. Let's see. We're gonna have this retracement I was talking about. Where is the gap? Any gap?
You said back to 30,000.
Yeah, I think 30,000 would be a nice
That's
area.
literally exactly where I was just looking at. I was like, yeah,
I think 30
because that's
is
why I
a
sent
good
you on the
area.
chart. Like that area where we left from that imbalance, but there's an order block right below it that we still haven't tapped into.
Yeah, and it kind of lines up with NAS, the ideal target that I would have. So they similar analysis, it should be a similar play out. Right now I'm seeing if this we ran that low, retrace back into it. Doesn't look like there's any real gaps in here on the 1 minute.
Yo, Andre.
What's up?
What up, boy?
Yo, James. How are you guys?
Doing good, bro. How about you?
Nah, I'm alright. I'm alright, gang.
That's what I like to hear.
Andre, would you prefer taking the New York continuation?
You said say it again. What about the New York continuation?
Wouldn't you take the New York continuation? Like, wait, let me just go to my chart so real quick.
It would
See
the one you're
something.
probably thinking of is probably the London continuation, and yeah, that would be something I would be looking to take if price was to be a little bit lower. If price was say maybe around 10,800, then I would potentially look for it. But in the case of a London continuation, say I'm gonna pull a fib from this low down here to this high, and I'm gonna make these the normal settings. I would be ideally looking for price to come down here to then keep trending. Right now, if this plays out how I would want and keeps going lower, and say price from here goes all the way lower, this would be a New York reversal if it runs this low. If that makes sense.
Yeah, I know about that. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Because normally that's how I trade. I wait for London to give me that push or take liquidity from the ASNI or low and give me that push. Then I wait for New York, the New York session to open. Then ideally I wait for the block continuations or the FIP like you do it.
Yeah. So what you're doing right now, you're basically just waiting for it to retrace lower.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for it to retrace lower.
All right, looks like we're on the same boat
like
then.
If you pull your FIP from the London session low, the London session high, you'll basically see it falls on the order block, the last order block.
Right here.
The last order block before the push up.
Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be if it goes all the way down there. We'll both have a good day because I'm gonna be getting out my trade there, and we'll see if it goes higher. The only thing is with a trade like that is me personally, I wouldn't want to wait until it gets all the way down here because I don't know what time of day that's gonna be. I want to look for a trade around New York session, and currently what New York session is giving me is we're all the way up here. So either we're just gonna keep pushing, or we're just gonna have a short-term drop, and that's all that I'm thinking right now. But I see why it would be a continuation. That would be valid, but if that would be more valid if we were all the way down here at like what time it is right now, so early New York session. That would work better in my opinion. But we'll see. A lot can change fast. We could have a big drop, but right now it's not really moving.
I can see us coming back to on NAS to like 10,850.
10,850.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to see right now. I'm just waiting to get below 11,000. Until we get below 11, I don't really got no hope in it yet. Still just holding them, turning back higher. US 30 is looking like it wants to fall, but it's also just the momentum's not there like it was 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, for me it looks like new in US that is closer to the order block than NAS is to the order block.
Mm-hmm.
And if I go to the 1 minute, I've seen we have a change of order flow. We're quite bearish on the 1 minute. Let me see NAS. Yeah, NAS just broke structure.
Yeah, we're gonna see what happens. I'm just waiting right now. Patiently waiting. I'm about to come back to entry. I did want to look to see if I can get another entry in around here, but there's no gap in between any of this, so I don't know if I want to add another position.
On the 1 minute, we only got a sign of weakness, and we never got the change of character on the 1 minute. So we're still kind of indecisive on the 1 minute. It could still push bullish from here.
Yeah, that's why I'm not really looking to add anything yet.
Yeah, it is, yeah, because we have the double bottom where price just took now. So we might give that liquidity grape, the double bottom, and then shoot up again.
We finna see.
I have like so many different like trading styles. I like try to tie into like my own technicals. So there's a lot of stuff I've learned over time, like as far as like learning market structure and price action. Same thing. That's why I like watching the 1 minute. Or I don't mind watching the 1 minute, especially after trading US 30 for like a whole year too.
1 minute is good. I like it better for while I'm trying to like really get into something real soon. That's the only thing I would use it for, like when I'm actively stalking.
I normally use 1 minute for entries.
Entries.
When price is in my 15-minute OB, like 4 hour normally I use 4 hour for direction, and then I go on a 15-minute and look for POIs to enter from.
Yeah, scaling
And
down.
when price is in my 15-minute POI, then I go on the 1 minute to go for my entries. Basically look for a chalk in the boss, like basically two breakout structures.
No, yeah, everyone has their own little entry strategy. It's gonna be different because everyone learns a little bit different little strategies here and there. Personally, I usually use the safe stuff. I look for a retracement, look to maybe fill in a gap after having a break of structure like we did here. Very similar situations, but you know, everyone's trading strategy is gonna differ. But at the end of the day, everyone views the market differently too.
Yeah.
We can use similar concepts though, like market concepts at the end of the day that are always going to be similar.
No, we know the market.
Facts. This shit is really struggling. They don't know where it's going to go. It wants to go lower, but it wants to go higher. But right now, it's looking like it wants to go higher. I still think it has a lot of chance to keep going lower, especially from having all this volume as soon as it cleared those highs. But it's only a matter of time. Just a waiting game right now.
Yeah, it's hard to go.
Might just, I don't know. US30 looks like it might have a retracement, but NAS, I wouldn't want to see that retrace. It's more like gonna run that high. There ain't really nowhere for it to retrace.
So bullish. It's not really moving down as fast, and it's not moving up as fast right now either. Oh, wake me up when.
Like I said, until we get below 11,000, anything can happen. I'm just trying to see what can happen. I'm trying to build this account, no cap. So all I need is 10,800. That's all I want.
Yeah. Well, if we break that next low down there, then we'll get that change of character. Then we can look for Pinch yourself. We swept that high. Came low, broke that.
Ooh, 7.
Which is good shit. No. We have to.
Go back below 11K, please and thank you. I'm just keeping in mind we still in this range.
We break that high. Oh, well, it looked like it broke the high. Your high on your screen. So
What,
yeah,
the
it might
short
end up
term?
push bullish.
Damn, that shit pushed again. Jesus.
Yeah, it's probably gonna push bullish. Just because on my screen, because I'm using a Wanda, we haven't broke that high right there to the left. But since I'm seeing it on your chart, probably gonna push up.
Yeah, it's looking like it wants to go higher. Damn.
Easy.
I don't know. I think US30 wants to go higher, but I think Nas, I don't see it going any higher. If it runs that high, I'm done now. Calling it a day. Cause shit, I'm not about to sit here try to get this reversal if it's not gonna already go.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I think just letting it kind of bullshit to the high and then reverse. Because there's so many people buying right now. I think they're just trying to milk in some more buyers.
Maybe. Shit.
They had already wiped them out, or some of them.
I see why US30 could come a little bit higher, but I don't know. If they're gonna move similar, I think Nash is just gonna consolidate. Maybe US30 is gonna keep pushing slightly back to 200. We only got 5 more points till 200. We'll see. Cause I like the little form how we had break a structure there, and we're kind of just consolidating in the gap. There's no gap on the 1 minute on the NAS, but it's like in that area that a gap would be where the order blocks would be. It's just that consolidation. Like it looks like it would play out, but looks may be deceiving. Yeah, there we go. Now it's pushing. Damn. There's US30 got 220 hit. We'll see if it holds 200.
So US30 has been a lot cleaner.
Yes. They move real similar. It's just the ranges is different, but NAS is definitely way choppier right now, especially on this 1 minute. This shit is ass. Yeah, it's about to run that high. I'm about to just call it a day. This shit. This did not go where I wanted it to go. This shit is trending like a motherfucker.
I might need to just start trading off of like hourly time frames.
Shit, I don't know. Even the hourly is like, I don't think I would have been able to catch nothing. I probably wouldn't have gotten anything though. That's one thing. If I was trading on higher time for that, I probably wouldn't even gotten anything. Yeah, it broke that high.
On the 4 hour, we are
shit
kind
is
of
chalked.
getting a fair value. And we closed above 2 bearish candles, so it's definitely going to be bullish. Run that high.
Right now, I might just call it a day because this shit is not going. It might just keep pushing, and at this point, it could do whatever the fuck it wants because shit is finessing. I knew if it wasn't gonna go below 11,000, it wasn't gonna go lower yet. Yeah, I don't know. US30. If US30 runs that high, then yeah, I'm definitely calling it a day. But at this point, these are all looking ass. Yeah, I don't really know. It came up in that order block I was talking about earlier, but there's really no other reason for me to believe it's gonna go short yet.
All right, fam. Well, listen to me about the slide.
Hmm?
About the slide.
Yeah, that's how I'm feeling. I'm about to call it a day. This shit is garbage.
Live to
Could
trade
fall,
another day.
but this shit is ass looking. It's not really doing shit. Pushed. Any good moves were buys, but you just would
I'll
have been
probably
happen.
starts for like another hour. Just eyeing it, seeing what we do. See if we hit that before like 11.
Yeah.
My time.
We
But
gonna
other
see.
than that, yeah.
But all right, I'm gonna talk to you though, bro.
All right, G. I'll catch y'all.
All right,
Have a great
bros.
day.
You too, bro. I'll be safe. Y'all stay productive.
You too, boss. You too. See you guys.
All right, bro. You be safe. Took my this shit is not moving how I wanted to. No kizzy. But nah, I appreciate everyone for being here. If you are watching this, appreciate you. Stay tuned. We will be back tomorrow. We live to trade another day. Just make sure you stay productive.